Okay, so I had this GoPro just clipped on the hat here and was recording earlier as I did this, but you couldn't actually see what I was doing. So let me just open it up here quickly. Again, the elevator's on, but I'm just gonna pop this off to show you what I had found. This is another one of those ECCI, I believe it is. Elevator Controls Canada Incorporated or something like that. Just outside of, well, we're in Toronto. Get that guy out. So this, again, I'm used to the newer ones, right? I haven't seen this particular model before. You got your contacts here and here. Obviously you got normally closed, normally open. I'm used to the two blackened Allen head screws. What I had seen was that one there. The nut was completely off, actually. It actually doesn't look that bad. There is some arcing in there, maybe. I doubt you guys can see that. Maybe just because with that loose, that like the stationary contact there was able to move a little bit, maybe. I'm not sure what they got. This feels like maybe just a butt connector or something in there. But that's where we're at. They don't have, like the new ones, they don't have the wiring schematic underneath here. But I guess that's why you kind of gotta open shit up and look at it on maintenance. There is a noise as the car is running in the hoistway. I only wrote it up to, I can't say if it's in both directions. I kind of figure it's not from up here because it's been running. I haven't heard anything up. Like you can just barely hear it from down on the car as it's running up here. Come on. But we will go down and get on the car, check it out. I'm trying out like this little hat clip for the GoPro. Not gonna lie, it feels a little goofy, but it is easier to do stuff and record it well. Mark used to maintain this. Got a little bit of cleaning here to do. More down here. It's not leaking from there, it's leaking. It seems kind of weird that it's leaking from here. It's almost like someone poured oil in and spilt it, but there is no area here that they're catching it. Oh, I don't know how you get oil in there, but it's pretty good there. It's not a dirty job compared to some of the ones we have, right? Again, just being careful because it is running here. But it's pretty easy. The first time I saw this, and it's probably made by the same people, was a Bramley freight elevator. Was the first one that I saw with a controller like this. I just sent it a couple floors. You can see the rope dust here and stuff like that. I didn't hear it on that trip. I doubt you guys will be able to hear it. But being that it's January, I got a new MCP I gotta fill out, and I can just barely hear it. Okay, let me do all the MCP stuff and then okay, so we're on the car top. I don't know if you can see, but that has a busted roller on that door operator. We're gonna go up, see if we can't hear it. Hopefully you can hear that. It is definitely going to be dry rails, I bet. Super dry. Now, this isn't my first choice of stuff to use, right? But the old fluid film will do for now. I only like to use fluid film on like quarterly visit stuff. Also, there's no handrail here, right? So we have to be careful. We'll take her up. It'll be a couple minutes for the elevator.
Sorry?
It'll be just a couple minutes for the elevator.
Why? What's going on?
I'm working on it.
So it's not working. You guys have to sign on it.
Been on here for like 2 minutes. Tough crowd. I think my fluid film's a little frozen. It is a little cold out today. Yeah, that's 100% what it is. What does everybody else use? I do use some hydraulic oil. What I'd like to use most of the time is ATF, but it doesn't always work out like that. actually pretty interesting little rollers they got here. Hopefully you can see that. These white plastic ones. I'm not sure I've seen those little guys before, but we'll have to check underneath. Got the tape head over there. Okay. Okay, so that one's done. I didn't really take much look at the pit. The fluid film's frozen. It is damn cold out here, but seems to taking care of the noise for now. I usually I'm scrambling here to get the last bunch of monthlies done here at the end of January. It's the last day. I'm sure some of you in the trade know you're running around like crazy the last little bit. Some months you got time, some months you don't have time. But I'm trying to close it out excuse me, on the app that we use for maintenance and such at work, closing it out, looking for the nearest building, and that's about it. Hopefully this is working out better. I got a little thing here in the car so we can chat sometimes, but we'll see you on the next one.